Hello everybody and welcome to Hammerdown Motorsports, and on this cloudy but not rainy Saturday we are headed to Hershey, Pennsylvania for Cars for Critters, and hopefully we get some sunshine. So let's get going. Well, we got raindrops on the windshield. Not a good sign when you just clean the car and you got to go to a car show, but I guess we're going to have to deal with it and see what happens. So the rain just seems to be getting more and more as we go along. Yeah, it's pretty much to the point now that when I get there, I'm going to have to try to find a car wash, and hopefully it's not raining in Hershey, which is probably another half an hour away, but yeah, nothing we can do about it. This is what happens in the springtime. Well, luckily enough for us, right now it's not raining in Hershey, so I'm going to wash the car up and get over to the car show, and hopefully it'll hold off for the rest of the day, but yeah, well, you never know. Well, everyone, we made it to Cars for Critters. So far, the show is pretty dry, so we gotta just do a little quick detail on the car, and let's go check it out. Okay, for anybody who watches Mike Street Speed 717's channel, he know that he collects license plates, and those who watch my channel know that I am from Canada, so I brought him an Alberta plate.
I have no idea.
So apparently, out of the Canadian plates he has, this is one he doesn't have, so gotta put it on the wall there when he gets his new place.
Oh, there it is.
Yep, the Alberta plate.
Oh shit. Well, that's a good one. I can't wait till I have a house, man. I'm gonna have everyone on the wall. I appreciate it. You bring the Camaro?
Oh yeah, it's over there.
Man, it's. Oh, I see it. I see it.
Just wash it, now it rained.
Yeah, well, it works out for me. I brought my rags. Now I can just wipe it down.
Exactly. So I told Nick it's free car wash.
Yeah. The angry goblin.
Yeah, I smell food.
I do. Oh, you know they have duck donuts here?
Yes, and
Who's excited for duck donuts?
They got monster.
I'm ready for
They
duck
have
donuts.
monster too. Yeah. Best part about these wheels, and I keep saying it about mine, is because they're the same color as brake dust.
Nick,
What?
Q-tips.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry.
Surgical gloves.
God, Jesus, I just touched this wheel without a surgical glove and a Q-tip. Thanks for letting me know, Steve.
No worries. Always here to help.
See, Nick was too cool for the
I have
arm,
dropped.
so
Look
you
at-
can get
oh my
everybody
God,
in
speaking
all
of
at one
GoPros.
time.
All right.
No.
Troy, get your camera.
Let's go talk about a real one.
Oh, here we
Oh,
go.
here we
go.
Troy,
No, seriously.
this is the best
Here
thing
comes
ever.
I have dropped.
It's Casey.
I
Nice
have
I'm not
dropped.
done yet. I'm not done
Nick,
yet.
I'm going to tell you something. I have dropped my Hero 4 hundreds of times.
It used to be my
Never
Hero
cracked.
4.
Never
Got it.
cracked. Never
Troy
had a
gotta
problem.
put that in
Hero
there.
5
Oh, I know.
dropped
Mine.
once
Well, he
in my
traded.
house. Cracked.
Like
cracked.
I had a Hero
Dude,
4.
remember when I dropped this
I
for
don't
the
know if you
first
guys
time
can see it.
and laying it
And
right
then
on the
like
lens?
this.
And you're like, yeah, I've dropped mine 100 times.
He drops it. He
use the Hero
he drops it.
That's why I have an aluminum case for mine. I can drop it all at once.
everyone, looks like we had a bit of a rainy day today, but it's all good because we have a lot of awesome cars that came out today. Thank you to everybody for bringing your cars out because we didn't want to have a rain day or anything like that. We were going to commit. We're just going to get here, shine them up. We probably wiped the water off our cars about, I don't know, 10, 12 times already by now, but yeah, good day all together and good people to talk to. So a lot of fun out here at the Cars for Critters in Hershey, Pennsylvania. Okay, if you can see those, that is Nick's tires, and they have basically what remains of the outer tread. Yeah. If he hits any kind of rain, he's probably gonna die.
Well, everybody, that was Cars for Critters in Hershey, Pennsylvania, and yeah, we had a bit of a rainy day today, but it's all good. We came out, had a good time, met a lot of good people and things like that, so hope everybody enjoyed the footage that we got from that show. So if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and keep that hammer down.